Welcome to in front of me REALME C35, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AoD feature here, so we should get the application from the Play Store. And now here in the search we'll enter the Mouse Edge. So click here to install now, because we should get this application, and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that just click here to open, click to draw our apps, wait a second, and now just find here the Mouse Edge application, click once on the switcher and just go back again to the application. Click here to add the AoD, select one from these tabs, for example this one, click to apply, and here be sure in AoD option section that the always on display is turned on, and now one will block the device. We can see that the AoD feature is turned on successfully. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.